Hi everyone, welcome to Royal Logos. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will design a logo for a real estate company by using the golden ratio principle. So let's continue with a short logo design brief. First of all, we have the logo name, which is Mammoth Residential. And about the services, the client says that we only deal with huge and vast residential properties. We are providing guidance and assistance to our clients to proceed smoothly and effortlessly in selling their properties. And about the logo name idea, the client says that we are dealing only with large-scale properties. That's why we decided on the business name Mammoth. And about the do's and don'ts of the logo design concept, the client says we want to look unique and different. That's why we are not expecting something like a roof design or any kind of building design. We are interested in a clean and minimal design of a mammoth. But you can also experiment with a unique initial letter M. And the final design must follow the golden ratio principle. About the colors, the client has chosen solid teal color tones. The client has given us the basic idea about the logo design, which is a clean and minimal mammoth design or initial letter M. So by keeping these points in mind, let's continue with the sketching process. This one is my favorite sketch because it has a clean and minimal visual, and we can easily design this logo by using the golden ratio. So let's continue with the design process of this sketch in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, go to File and select New. Then select the units to pixels, select the width to 1920 and height to 1080 pixels. Now we will place our sketch on this artboard. So go to File and select Place. Simply select the image, then drag your cursor from this corner to this one. If you want to experiment with the same sketch, then you can download this image by visiting the link given in the description. Now reduce the opacity of this image to 25%. Then go to Windows, select Layers. Then select the image layer and click on this black square to lock it. Now we will continue with the designing of the geometry that follows the golden ratio principle, as we want to design our logo with the golden ratio. So first of all, select the rectangle tool, then hold down the shift key and draw a perfect square. We doesn't need the fill, so we will cancel it by clicking on this cross icon and apply it a different stroke color like this blue color, and apply a stroke width to 4 points. Now simply duplicate this square. Then draw another square from this anchor point to this one. Again repeat the process from this anchor point, also from this anchor point. And this is our basic geometry that follows the golden ratio principle. Now we will fill this geometry with the circle designs. So select the ellipse tool and draw a circle from this anchor point to this anchor point. Also from this anchor point to this one. Again repeat the process for this square and also for this one. Now we only need these circle designs and we will delete these squares. Select all of these shapes, go to Windows and select Align. Then select Horizontal Align Center and also Vertical Align Center. Then go to View, select Rulers and then select Show Rulers. And now simply drag a grid from this ruler at this position. Also from this vertical one, like this. Then select all of these circles and simply drag them at the position from where it follows the geometry of the sketch. If you want to change the size of these circles, then you have to change them all at a time to preserve the golden ratio. So hold down the Shift key and simply decrease the size like this. Now again hold down the Shift key and select this outer circle to deselect it. Then simply drag all of these circles. Deselect them. Then simply select this one and drag it like this. Now select this one and drag it at this position. And to make another copy of this circle, simply hold down the alternate key and drag it like this. Then select the direct selection tool, select this circle, then select this anchor point and press delete. Also select this anchor point and delete it. Then select this circle, select this anchor point and press delete. Select this one, select this anchor point and press delete. Now select the pen tool and add a third anchor point between these two. Select the direct selection tool, select this anchor point and press delete. And finally select this circle, again select the pen tool and add an anchor point at this path. Select the direct selection tool, select this new anchor point and press delete. And now we are done with the basic geometry of our logo design. Now again select the pen tool, click once at this anchor point, then at this position and simply drag it towards this intersection point. And then complete the shape by clicking on this anchor point. Now again draw a line from this anchor point, then at this position and simply complete the shape like this. Again left click at this anchor point and complete the shape like this. Also at this top corner, and to complete the shape simply press enter. And we are done with our logo design. Select the selection tool, then delete these grid lines. Also delete this circle, then select all of these shapes and simply increase the value of stroke width to 70 points. Then go to Object, select Path and select Outline Stroke. Go to Pathfinder menu and select Unite. Now it doesn't need this reference sketch. So go to Layers and simply hide it. And now it's time to write the name of our logo. So simply decrease our logo dimensions. Select the Type tool and write the name of the logo, which is Mammoth. For the font, I want to use Prompt Semi-Bold. Then select this character menu and increase the spacing between the alphabets to 30 points. And for the slogan, simply duplicate this text. Again select the Type tool and simply write Residential. This time select the weight to regular. Again select the character and increase the spacing between the alphabets to 200 points. Now to perfectly align all of these elements, simply select all of them, go to Align menu and select Horizontal Align Center. And now it's time to apply our colors. And the client has chosen the solid teal color tones. Simply select this icon and to apply the colors, double click on this color menu and write the color code to 00BF77. Let's check the feasibility of our logo in both colored and dark backgrounds. And our logo is also working fine in both colored and dark backgrounds. Beside this one, I also experimented with other logo designs. But this one is my favorite design, as it has a clean and minimal visual, and also we can easily design this logo by using the golden ratio. You can also share your thoughts about your favorite design in the comments section. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.